Yo guys, welcome back to the channel again. It's your boy Michael Honor. As you know, this is the first episode of Technical Tuesdays, and if you don't know what this series is going to be about, this series is a series that will be dropped every week where I talk about the happenings in the market, both fundamentally and technically what you should be expecting in the market, what I should be expecting in the market. Trust me guys, you're going to enjoy it. So just like this video, subscribe if you haven't subscribed so that this can reach other traders as well. And also you can comment and tell me what pair you're looking at this week, what fundamental you're looking up to and everything. So for guys that don't know how to use fundamentals, this is also a video that could help you with your fundamentals and also technicals. This is going to be an interactive series. So guys, without further ado, let's just get to the screen and dissect what we need to dissect. So guys, let's start with the fundamentals. What should we be expecting? Now this is Tuesday. Most people most guys, you hear them saying that it's not advisable you trade on Mondays. People don't trade on Mondays. People keep it like that. I know you probably have that rule. So that's why we're starting with Tuesdays, because that's where we can see moves happening in the market. Now we see US PPI raise less than expected. Now the PPI news was news that came out 1:30 today. You can see it came out and it was negative for the dollar. Right now the dollar we can see in this chart. Now we're experiencing some weakness in the dollar. You can see dollar has fallen so bad since the NFP reports last 2 weeks. The dollar is trying to recover, you can see here, and the news coming out and the news that we're seeing from the dollar and everything is giving that negative impact on the dollar. So we should be looking at more sales in the dollar till we see a change in the risk sentiment of the dollar. Right now the factory gates prices in the US rose by 0.1 in July, slowing from 0.2 increase in June, less than market expectations of 0.20. So right now, the dollar is still on that weakness level that we are seeing. Right, you can see the jobless rate 4.3, the interest rate 5.50, 50 basis points as expected. So the dollar is just on this neutral weak basis point. So what can we see in the dollar? You can see price has been on this sell, created a new low. Should be expecting price to take out this low. Personally, my first overall target for this is around this demand area, this downside, right? And you can see that price has reacted from this this area of demand also. You can see here. So what should be expecting is just kind of a small pullback in the continuation to the downside until we see a change in the fundamentals, a shift in the fundamentals of this. Now back to EURUSD. EURUSD has been I just want to call this a shitty pair for me. Last week I got stopped out from this pair. It stopped me out this week here. Stopped me out, came out to this other area that it grabbed liquidity from to go up. So on EURUSD, I'm expecting further longs to the upside. Something like I'm expecting longs that could longs like this to the upside here, where we could see a final drop of EURUSD. Just same thing as the DXY. So this is the target for EURUSD, right? That longs to that area, then we have that final drop in EURUSD. Right now, in any form of way you can get involved with this long, it's not a really bad idea, right? It's not a really bad idea, but I am not really looking at the longs right now. Just focused on that sell, because this could still be a change direction. Pound USD cable, you can see cable back to the demand area we had on our on our daily time frame, you can see our price is moving off that area. So where should you be expecting price to get to for pound Aussie? Very, very interesting times. Pound Aussie, if it come to this area, sell off. But if it doesn't sell off, we could see a break and retest from that area. So it's like it's at that region here. So if it doesn't sell from here, we could expect a break and retest. We could expect a break and retest from this area even into the higher regions. Right now, we can't predict. We have to wait for market reactions, guys. Most times, the currency pair that I trade is GBPAUD and EURUSD most of the time. So those are my OGs, as you get. Now, if you notice something with commodity-based currency pairs, as you don't know, are currency pairs like AUD, Canadian dollar, NZD. Yeah, those are commodity-based currency pairs, and these currency pairs are affected by news of China. They have metals, all this news that concerns China and stuff like that. It affects them, and if you notice, they move in a regular pattern. So right now, AUD, Canadian dollar and stuff like that have been on a mad spike and a mad movement. Right now, we just need the market to come to an area where it can stabilize and find longs. Right now, I'm looking at longs for pound Aussie. Yeah, I don't know why I even deleted this, but this is the first region of supply of demand. Sorry, the price spiked in. We're seeing our price is maintaining this. We're staying below those lows and everything. We're staying below those lows, and what we should be expecting to see is a pullback down. Market actually did that. It's a pullback down to actually trade back up to this upside. So it just depends on how. Normally, I should have been in this long position. Yeah, I should have been in this long position, but I'm still waiting for, a final drop so that I can go up. Price is currently stuck up in a range. You can see this is the range the price is currently stuck up in. And pound Aussie can range. If you don't know that, let me just show you an example. Here you can see this range before you break. You can see this range before you break. So it's a normal thing. So I'm really waiting for price to really pull back down again. Then I have an entry back to this region here, and have an entry back to this region to the upside. So that is what I am expecting on pound Aussie. I'll be keeping the fundamentals in check and everything. For gold the bad guy. Who else is trading gold? Right, gold long position which just exited. I just exited gold long positions from this region where we had these longs around here. This was a very good trade, but yet a very long one, because we had about almost 200 pips target stop loss, and we closed it with 1 to 3 around this region. That's where this trade was closed, 0.5 weeks on the trade. So right now on gold is very, see guys, in the market right now, it's not like before. The market is fundamentally driven right now, fundamentals that move the market. You can see gold buying and EU selling. So that's how crazy it can be right now. On gold, on the daily time frame, on gold, what should we be expecting? Now we're seeing these highs. Gold is about to test the highs of 2483. It's about to test the highs of that area. So up until that, we have nothing on gold. Right now. We're just gonna plot out the highs, the lows, to see whether price is gonna create a new high. This is the all-time high, so we have to be really careful about that. Whether price is gonna stay above it or stay below it before we can see any position on it. Right. Let's get back to our fundamentals and the news we should be expecting this week. Tomorrow we have NZD cash rate, interest rate coming out for NZD, a very good opportunity to bank on. CPI, GPU, bringing out the CPI. I have to be looking at GBPAUD. All eyes on GBPAUD now for that long position that I am expecting. Then we have also USD bringing out PP and the CPI tomorrow. Tomorrow is CPI. Very important news, guys. Very important news in the USD market. You know what CPI is. So tomorrow is going to be a kind of busy and yet decisive day in the dollar and also in the forex market. So we should know what we should be expecting in the market, whether EU will be going up or EU will break those lows and but I expect EU to go up, guys. Tomorrow then we have AUD unemployment change on Thursday, and we have what's core retail sales on Friday. So this week is gonna be a week with a lot of moves, so we should be expecting that. Guys, don't forget, manage your risks. That's the most important thing. Anything you do, manage your risks, guys. Wait for that trade opportunity, it will come and hit. Guys, this is the end of the episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and yeah, share this content so that I can get to other traders as well. And I'll see you next week for our next episode. Bye.